In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule QuickBooks online reports to be emailed automatically. If you find yourself running the same reports over and over, this built-in email feature will save you time by delivering the right information to you or your team on a recurring schedule. Start by logging into QuickBooks Online. From the left menu, open Reports. This is your hub for everything from profit and loss to balance sheet and beyond. Click to open the report you want to send. Before emailing, take a moment to make sure the report shows exactly what you need. Set the report period, such as last month, quarter, or year to date. Choose the accounting method: cash if you want to see money when it moves, or accrual if you want to capture income and expenses when they're billed or incurred. Apply any filters you rely on, like customer, vendor, class, or location, to narrow the results to what's most meaningful for your workflow. At the top of the report, you'll see a row of icons. Refresh updates the report with your latest settings and data. Email lets you send the report to one or more recipients. Print prepares a clean copy for paper. Export downloads the report as Excel or PDF if you need to analyze or share it in another format. Click Email. In the email form, add the recipients in the To field. You can customize the subject or keep the default, and include a short message if you want to provide context about the numbers or highlight what changed. A quick tip: click Refresh first to ensure the attachment reflects the latest data, especially if you just changed filters, dates, or the accounting method. If you want this report to go out automatically, look for Set Schedule. This option appears after the report has been saved as a custom report. Choose how often you want it sent: daily, weekly, or monthly. Then set the start date and, if needed, an end date. When everything looks right, click Save, and you're done. From now on, QuickBooks will deliver the report on the cadence you chose without you having to run it manually. Anytime you need to make changes, you can edit or cancel scheduled emails from your custom reports list. Open the drop-down next to the saved report and select Manage Schedule to adjust recipients, timing, or turn the schedule off. And that's it. With the email icon, QuickBooks will deliver your report instantly or on the schedule you set, so the right people stay informed without extra clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save by putting your reports on autopilot.